I'm going to share with you the one moment that changed my entire view about the Irish language and made me a fluent speaker and an Irish teacher and a mum who speaks Irish to her daughter. I went to a Cláiste Sari in the Gaeltacht, the summer schools where you have to speak Irish and you're not allowed to speak any English. And the moment that changed my entire view of the Irish language was when I was walking by the kitchen in the Ballantyne's house and I heard her speaking Irish to her kids, but none of us, the students, were in the room. I didn't really know it, but at the time I must have thought Irish was a school subject. It wasn't really real, because when I heard her speaking Irish to her kids, I was like, oh my God, this is an actual language just a few hours from where I grew up that people are living in, using every day, going to the shops, speaking to their kids in, using it as a language over dinner. Realising that this language was not just a school subject changed my entire view of the Irish language and made me obsessed and want to be a fluent speaker. You too can change your children's view of the Irish language, and you don't have to send them to the Gaeltacht. You don't even have to send them to a Gael school. In fact, the most important way to change your children's view of the Irish language and help them with the Irish language at school is to speak some Irish at home. It doesn't have to be all the time. It doesn't have to be a lot. Just some of the language so that they hear that it's a real language that you care about, so that they'll care about it too. Even if you send your children to a Gael school, you need to speak it at home to show them that you care as well. They hear it's a real language, everything will be easier for them.